Hey everyone, it's Natalie back with Alternative Food Network, and today we are going to be making a Mediterranean quinoa recipe, courtesy of Laura Baum. For a full list of ingredients and steps, check out the description below. Let's get started. In a large bowl, combine chickpeas, quinoa, cucumber, olives, herbs, onion, and tomatoes, and then set aside. In a large measuring cup or bowl, add oil, lemon zest, lemon juice, garlic, salt and pepper to taste, and a pinch of chili flakes. Then whisk to combine. Add your lemon dressing to your large bowl and mix thoroughly. You can serve immediately or refrigerate. This dish is great at any temperature. Want to make more easy plant-based recipes like this one? Be sure to listen to our podcast, Plant-Based Pantry Essentials, with guest Laura Baum by checking the link in the description below. Enjoy!